Ayan, so ito yung mga butik na isa ako sa kinuhang judge, guys. So yung mga products nila. From SGC Foods Products. Okay, 3 shorts. Then, dito din. Ito yung coffee. Ninikman ko kanina pa sa lamig.
Free taste po. Pasalubong, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Kukuha lang ako ng video, ha?
Ano yan? Hindi ka daw.
Ayan. From Coronadal City.
Ma'am, try na po mo.
Sarangani Province. Bi, pati lobby.
Okay, yun na si mama.
Ayan, free test daw, guys. So,
Pastillas coffee
toasted
flavor.
pastillas.
Pastillas coffee flavor. Hindi po siya masyadong matamis, ma'am. Masarap
Sarap
na.
po na.
Mura na lang, ma'am.
Pero, oras na mong ba? Chocolate na lang. Dapat yung chocolate. Nasa flavor na.
Sila po.
200 ma'am. Pero kung magbalik ka dalawa ma'am, tatatawa 300. 150 each.
Chocolate.
Lami siya.
Thank you ma'am. Ma'am, nakatry na kayo coffee ma'am. May free coffee na.
Lami bitaw kay diretsong kuha na siya ba? No need add sugar. Ayan, pili na.
Bili na po kayo, sir. Murang-mura na po yan. Uuwi na po kami sa bar. Pastillas coffee flavor.
Wow! Amazing! Ganda. There's si Ma'am Maria. Ganda, oh! Thank you. 1,800. Ano nila ito, guys, as in gawang kamay. Very nice. Hindi kayo siya, sir. Ito yung mga fruits nila, guys.
Ha? Opa. Nakapalit ako ng hapon.
Cotabato! And I hope that they don't look at them, they won't forget to smile and eat. But they're very happy with that. But I hope na later on na aming mga sets of questions para sa inyong kanay, and I hope you will be able to answer. Of course, kanina nakasa na ninyo yung video namin, napakaraming mga fruits at kakanin dito sa aming probinsya na Cotabato. Alright, just please forgive us for some short difficulties with the technicalities, but nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the first video presentation that we had
Try, ha?
this afternoon.
Oh, ni katong halang, no?
Kanina, you might have seen, ano yung pinakamataas na bundok sa Pilipinas? Can you hear an answer? Ang pinaka-highest mountain in the Philippines? Yes, Mount Apo. At saan probinsya ito makikita? Palawan. Sige, Palawan. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay, it's in the province of Cotabato. I'm here with me, is my colleague from the city of Kidapawan, the only city in the province of Cotabato.
Pwede mag-sailor?
Dito po ma'am, apat lang yung flavor namin. Wala pa po ito siya kasi bago yan siya namin ma'am pa.
Let us welcome
Pwede mag-sailor, ani?
Reseller ka ma'am.
Di ba? Pwede ba?
Pwede rin ma'am.
Punta pala ko dire.
Alright, palakpak na lang si Eduardo!
Wala si Charo.
Palakpak na lang, foreigner!
Salamat kayo sir.
Okay, so John, tell us something about Kidapawan City. What can they see there once they visit your city?
So, wala ako ng video, ha? Pang-vlog natin. Grabe, oh.
Yes, I heard, John, you must go to Cebu City. What did Kidapawan City do here sa Cebu?
The Power City landed as top 5 this January during the Sigulog Festival Street Dancing Competition. And alam ko si Karon, kung balik diri to introduce to you kung unsa pa gyud ang ika-offer ni Kidapawan, and next year mubalik gihapon ni
Wala ka na
Kidapawan for the 2026 Sinulog.
Wow, see the connection of Cotabato province to the city or the province of Cebu. And not only that, Jom, no? Because in Migsayap, where I came from, the first festival of Santo Niño in Mindanao was held in Migsayap in 1988, the Halad Festival, the longest running Halad Santo Niño in the province of Cotabato, of which